Hello everybody, Florida Investor here. Got another banger for you. Today's stock is gonna be Costco. If you guys live in the United States, you guys must be familiar with Costco. Costco, it is a huge warehouse stores that offer really good products in bulk quantities or bigger packages that you would normally find like at Walmart or Target or other places. And also at a really good price, because that's one of the issues, especially here in the United States. I don't know in other countries, but here in the United States, to eat clean, it is expensive. To buy organic stuff, grass-fed, etc. Well, Costco has done it where they are able to sell products that are, the majority of the products, I mean food-wise obviously, that they sell are mostly organic. Not everything, but a large percentage, and it is very affordable. Now, my local town here, they opened up a Costco probably about, I want to say maybe less than 2 years ago. If I have to put a date, I would say probably a year to be closer, I would say. And let me tell you, I love it. I mean, I love the store. It's very convenient. It not only it offers fuel, but also propane gas, I mean food, even home stuff as well, like a little bit of everything, car stuff, I mean literally you name it. And for many years, Costco has been a staple. Well, the difference between Costco and let's say Walmart generates a lot of income as well, but Walmart is spread out very thin, let's put it that way, because they have so many stores everywhere. Not only you got your super Walmarts, but you also have your market neighborhood. I mean, literally, they have a lot of different stores. So Costco, that's basically the opposite. They have done the opposite, and what they do is they concentrate on their clubs, on maximizing the real estate that they got, maximizing the potential of the stores before they start opening more stores, basically. Now, one thing that Costco is doing, other than expanding in the United States, they're also positioning themselves to start opening. I mean, I believe there are some Costco's in other countries as well, but basically expanding more. Potentially at a same pace as in the United States, and obviously that's going to increase profits. It's going to increase revenue, bigger outreach to the community. So that's obviously going to be a good thing for their bottom line. Now, what you guys are seeing here is, if we go back to, let's see, the last 3 months, Costco, I mean, even for the year to date, they are down about 6%, and they have really dropped in the last 3 months. They're down 10%. But again, how I mentioned on my videos before, this is a good buying opportunity because it's a solid company. It's making billions of dollars every year, billions of dollars in profit. So we know that Costco is not going anywhere. And let me tell you, from my own perspective, every time we go to Costco, we've been to multiple Costco's in the area, and they're always packed, always. Massive lines in the store. I mean, filled with people, which is a good sign, because that means more revenue, more money coming into the company. So am I concerned with Costco? Not one bit. I actually see it as a buying opportunity. Again, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. But if you're looking for a good company, solid fundamentals, a good amount of profit, revenue, expanding, I mean, you name it, Costco is the one to get into. Now, you guys are probably going to say, well, the stock is really expensive right now. And it is. I mean, we're talking about $855 for a stock that, when you look at other ones like Target or Walmart, they are a lot cheaper. And that's true. But no, don't forget that you don't have to buy a full share. You guys can do just fractional shares. A few years ago, probably 5 to 7 years ago, fractional shares was something that it wasn't available for most brokers. Now is pretty much anywhere, any investing app will allow you to do fractional shares, so you don't have to buy a full stock or a full share. You could just put in, whatever you can afford. $5, $10, $50, $100 at a time, whatever you can afford. But again, do your own research, start looking into Costco, and because it is, to my opinion, it is at a good buying opportunity. Now let's just kind of quickly look at article of what people are saying. So Costco wholesale continued its streak of strong results when it's reported its fiscal year Q1 earnings. But as you guys can see, it is down. It is now trading down nearly 5% year to date, and it's about 11% over the past year. Now, if we read a little bit more, strong momentum, like I mentioned before. E-commerce sales, digital revenue surged 20.5%. Traffic climbing 24%. Again, it's basically a good, solid company. The company fiscal Q1 revenue jumped 8% to 67 billions. I mean, again, that's good amount of money coming in. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if they do a stock split soon. I'm not saying they're going to, but I wouldn't be surprised, because that will open up the door for more investors that, let's say, want to buy single shares instead of fractional. They're going to have an opportunity to come in and purchase shares, kind of like what Netflix did recently. Netflix did, I think it was a 10-to-1 split. Their stock was, I think it was $1,000 or $1,100, something like that, and now it's sitting at 100 and something. So obviously that makes it more affordable if you're one of those people that want to buy a stock, shares instead of fractional. But I wanted to, of course, like I said before, bring this to you guys' attention. Do your own research, not financial advice, but look into Costco. Solid foundation, solid company. In my opinion, it is it's at a discount, especially how much it has dropped for the past 3 months specifically. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I will continue to do research and find out more gems like this one to share with you guys. Have a good day.